What up, people? This is Bunjo. I'm doing the old let's order a burger from the Wild Wild West. This is one of the best reviewed burger places in town. So I'm gonna call him right now. Check him out now, Funk Soul Brother, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna try some. Well, let's see here. Let me call these guys. 021-317-112. Hello, this is Bunjo. Can I get a burger? Hello, are you guys open for delivery? Hello. Are you guys open for delivery? Uh, I'd like to get the 19 burger, redemption burger. Yeah. And 22 the chivapis. Yes. Uh,
This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. He traded the 905 for Chiovo. This is Bunjo.
yes. Yeah. Okay. All right. How much is it gonna come to? All right. Sounds good. 150 kunas. Thank you. All right. Thank you. See you soon. Yeah. So as you heard from the phone call, I ordered the Sarajevski chivapis. That's the Bosnian from Sarajevo. They're gonna be good. This Wild Wild West is the best Americanized steakhouse in Trogir. I think it's the only one, but I think it's the best one around in all the connecting cities too. And I also ordered the Redemption Burger. I don't know what it is. I just knew it was what do you call that? Like the better burger. You know what I mean? That big patty, that special order burger. So I got that special order burger. I want to see what that redemption's about. You know what I mean? And they said, sorry, it'll be late. It'll be there in about a half an hour. Damn, that's late. Damn, bro. That's good, eh? So stay tuned. They're gonna call me when they're here, and let's do it. This is Bunjo. Yeah, what up, people? I just got the bag back. Look at this, all the food. Watching a little JC Max. His new scam video, check it out. It's pretty funny, the comments are cool. Came to 136 kunas. So I got this. I got this. There it is. 136 kuna for all this. Now let's see this. So, hold on, let's see right there. So look at this burger. I got the Redemption Burger. Yeah, in a little tip in Croatia, when you buy condiments like mayonnaise and mustard and stuff, and hot sauce or ketchup, you got to usually pay. Like when you go to McDonald's and you get those free ketchup packs at McDonald's, they ain't free here, bro. You got to pay. So here it is. So this is the burger. Let's check this bad boy out. Look at this. That looks beautiful, huh? Whoa. Wow, that looks good. Now let's see what's in this little tinfoil wrap thing. Right here. Oh, this is. I don't know what that is. That's good though. I know it's onions and some sort of cheese, maybe feta cheese. And then here's this. This has to be the Thisisbunjo chivapis. And look at this. That's what you get. Look at this. So this goes on top of here. Whoa! Pretty big meal, right? And then of course you get your French fries, which are, here I'm gonna pour them all out there. Damn, bro. These are like fresh cut fries, which I'll tell you guys this, are rare in Croatia. Fresh cut fries, they usually have the freezer cut fries every time you go somewhere, but not this place. Look at this. Damn. Now let's dig in. Let's try this. The best reviewed burger joint. Okay. The fries. The fries are actually dank. Yeah, these are too dank. I like them. You guys know what dank means? That means good. If you know me, man, I'm a fry guy. I remember back in Canada, they got this place called New York Fries. With the California sauce on these New York fries, god damn, boy! That's my jam. Now look at this burger. Look at this thing. Holy shit. Yeah, it's a gourmet burger. Oh shit, it has tomatoes in it. Oh man. Damn. Yeah, that's a good burger. Oh my god. Damn. Woo wee. That's a good one. If it ain't messy, it ain't good, boy. Let me get that water here. Last night I did a live stream, 7.5 hours. Oh man. I need some water after that. Yeah, for everybody that watches my live stream, they gotta understand, they're not like my vlogs. My live streams are more of a comedy. If you come on and I show it, if you join the stream especially, get ready to get roasted. It's about having fun, making fun of each other, and smiling. Just be happy with it. I'll say stuff that annoys you probably, and who cares? I don't get offended if you annoy me. So I just don't want anybody to get offended that watches me, because that's not what it's about. It's about nice comedy, making fun of each other. Who cares, right? I don't know. Let's try this chivapia. See, this is homemade. Damn, that's good, man. That's a good chivapi. Oh, I love this shit, man. This is a perfect meal for being hungover, man. Nice greasy ass meal. Look at this bun. Let me rip a piece of this bun off here. Look at this thing. Tell me, look at that shit. You know what I mean? Look at that. Can you see me tasting it? Oh my god. It's greasy, bro. So greasy you can be able to see through my body after it's done. Look how many chivapis are here. Look at this. Hold on. This fucking... Look at this. Look how many chivapis are here. Look at that. How the fuck am I supposed to eat all this, yeah? Oh, man. But the burger is definitely fucking good, man. This is the best burger in town by far. By far the best burger I had in Trogear. Easy. But there's not that many. I'll even go as far as saying it's the best burger in the whole area. Castell. Split even. Marina. Best burger right here. And these chivapis, man, I like the fact that they're not store-bought. And they're the shitty cheap ones that everybody uses. These guys made them themselves. You can tell by the width of these. They're small and skinny. And I'm a big critic on chivapis. And I'll tell you, these ones are danky dank. I'll tell you that. Oh man, woo-wee, baby, let me get that money on you. 136 kunas for this. So what is that? That's 20 bucks. That's 25 bucks. But it's gourmet, you gotta remember this. It's gourmet, so it's not that bad. You get 2 things of fries, a huge chivapi wrap, and a gourmet burger. And it's usually... This place is a sit-down restaurant, like a higher-end one. And here this is. Man. They even tossed in a free onion ring. Damn, bro. Damn. I love this shit. Thanks for watching, bro. This is Bunjo. And if you guys ever come to Trogir from anywhere in Croatia or around the world, Wild Wild West Trogir, American Steakhouse. Shit's dank, I'll tell you that. This is Bunjo and I'm out here. Don't forget to buy a damn t-shirt. Got that 4 lines for your nose, you know?